Okay, so let's talk about the email automation that is already inside your Noomu 7-day challenge funnel, the sign funnel. So whether you use the paid sign up of the 7-day challenge or the free one, the automation is already in the funnel and they're the same. Obviously, you can update things as much as you'd like. And if you want to add product promotions and things like that, it's all ready for you. So, what we do to get to the automation is we go to messaging and workflows at the top. And then under automation, you will see there is a 7-day challenge welcome. It is not turned on. That's what this red thing means. You'll have a green check mark. It's on. You can turn it on here. But if you are new to Noomu, you need to confirm your email before you can set it up. If you're already using Noomu and you're already emailing with it, you'll be able to just turn it on. I'll show you where to confirm that email in just a moment, but let's take a peek at this. So if we click it, we will see that we have this automation flow. There's 9 emails inside of here, and each one is spaced by a day. You can always change the space if you're not doing the challenge every day or however yours is working. And you will see there are spaces to fill in, like insert desired results, link to the post, your name. At the top, this part, leave that alone because that will input the person's name. You can also update your logo here if you'd like, and you would just go here, click on the image, upload a file, or if it's already in your image directory in your website, you should be able to grab it. Or if you don't want to have a picture there, you can just go over here on the right and click delete. So that's all you're going to do each day. So there's a welcome email, which is what we're looking at right now. And then it walks through each day, gives them a little encouragement. The goal is to get them going to the challenge and checking in because that's what you really want. You want this engagement every single day. So it just basically gives them encouragement and also addresses that some people might not be catching up, right? So we're trying to create this email that appeals to everybody, even if they're not catching up, and hopefully they'll get back into it. So this will keep your engagement up and hopefully the completion rate up as well. So then it has all 7 emails there, and it ends with a congratulations email. And of course, that might be a place where you want to promote a product, and then maybe you want to continue on and do more of a series here so that it's taking them to the next step. This email template alludes to that as what it says. We'll be sharing a few next steps soon to help you keep this momentum going, which could be the next product that they should invest in. And so you can keep adding emails, you can send it by delay, and you can choose a specific date. So if you're doing like a scheduled kind of challenge and everybody's starting the same day, you can say the exact date or the amount of days, etc. And I don't know if I showed you also what triggers this. So an automation has to have a trigger, and our trigger is the tag. And this is the tag we've already set up for you, whether they buy the challenge on your paid challenge or they sign up for free. It's the same. And that starts this whole automation as well. So you can also set a goal on here. So if you're going to continue and you're going to start promoting a product here and you don't want to email the people who already have the product, you can actually set a goal here and you can say tag is added or makes a purchase. Either way, it'll still work, right? And you can choose the product if they buy. That's the goal of the automation. And once the goal is reached, they will not get more emails. So you're not going to continue to email people. You also will have some stats here about how many people are in there. You can also track your sales as well from the automation, and it'll tell you how many reached the goal, etc. So that's really all it takes. So you don't need to mess with the document that we gave with those templates. It's already here. So everything's set up. You just go through each one, update it how you like, turn it on. And now, speaking of turning it on, so in order to start using bulk email inside Noomu, and it's the same with every autoresponder now, because Google and Yahoo, they don't accept bulk email, which is what you're doing when you're sending out stuff like this. through free email addresses, and they also have to verify your domain. So that is here. When you're under messaging and workflows on the left, you'll see settings. And first of all, also, you should add your brand details here. So that way that gets filled in automatically when you send an email. You don't have to keep repeating it and stuff like that. But you have to have your domain verified in order for it to take this information. So that the domain where is here, you would just click add domain, and it's not your email address, it's your domain. So if you're going to send from your 7daychallenge.com domain, I'm sure that's taken. But you're going to put that domain here, and then it's going to give you some, I'll show you. It's going to give you some verification records to put in your domain registrar. So you're just going to put the text record in and the CNAME. It's fairly simple. Just log into your domain account, click add, go under DNS, click add record, and you'll be all set. It's something you just have to do once, so not a big deal. Still saving tons of time here, right? Your automation's all ready to go. And once you've verified your domain, it'll tell you there, and then you'll be able to turn this on and you'll be able to get started.